It was a long, slow march out of Eden. We didn't know just what we were leaving, but our curious hearts had us believing we'd be okay.
Maybe one day soon we'll be together again, and the world will come alive right before my eyes, just like magic, oh sweet magic, yet this old magic that I once knew.